Hello and welcome to Microwave Me once again, where I microwave the same crap anyone else can. Today I'm going to be microwaving cat food. If you're wondering what to do when it's a cold day, your cat's hungry, and you don't want it to eat cold food, I'm going to show you exactly what needs to be done. Okay, here's the cat food. And here's Jennie, the GE microwave. She loves animals too, so she wants only the best for them. Microwaving this for 20 seconds should do the trick. And there we go, warm meal for your cat. Now everyone's happy, and thus I declare this to be a good idea. Eat up, guys.